Here's a quick summary. In this section, we discussed the following: the 3 rules every niche should satisfy if you are going to build an Amazon affiliate site around it. The first rule: the niche should have scores upon scores of products being sold on Amazon, and most of these products should be selling for at least $50, and at least a handful of these should have more than 50 4 and 5-star reviews. The second rule: you should be comfortable with working in the niche for at least 3 to 4 months. Rule number 3: the niche should be big enough to support a site that's at least 50 to 100 pages in size. We saw how to use Google AdWords Keyword Planner and Google Trends. We also discussed the importance of checking for seasonality and regional interest. Several methods by which niche ideas for Amazon sites can be generated were discussed. Some of them are using Google AdWords Keyword Planner, Amazon.com, eBay, Alibaba, and other e-commerce sites, magazines, names of popular movies and athletes, Flippa, hobbies and interests, and late-night TV commercials. In addition, the worked examples illustrated how to run the initial tests on any niche. Any niche that passes the initial tests will be researched further, and we will see whether we can find good keywords in those niches to write content around. That will be discussed in the next section. There are several online databases that are open to the public. You can mine these for niche ideas. You could say Google itself is an online database, so mining online databases for niche ideas certainly makes sense. This does require a bit of lateral thinking, but this can be a lot of fun. Let's search for list of online databases on Google. As you can see, there are a lot of results for this search. Let's choose Wikipedia. The list here is sorted alphabetically. Let's just scroll down the list and see what catches our eye. For some reason, this one here caught my attention: Inorganic Crystal Structure Database. There are a lot of people who buy crystals online. So let's do a search on Amazon for crystals and see what comes up. There are so many results for this search. You can easily build an affiliate site around crystals. Now, what's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear the word crystals? Wouldn't you see a picture of a crystal ball in your mind's eye? Let's do a search for crystal balls. More than 200,000 results. You can possibly build an entire site around crystal balls. There seem to be so many kinds of crystal balls. Let's go back to the Wikipedia list. Let's say you really love comics. Let's check out a database about comics. There are a few databases on comics listed here. Let's check out Grand Comics database. Just search Google for the name of the database. Grand Comics database is a database of all printed comics throughout the world. There's a lot of material here. Let's click on this link. Today's covers. There are so many comic book covers listed here. Here's one that's interesting. Mars Attacks. What do you think about when you read the title? Don't you need a telescope to watch Mars? Let's search Amazon for telescopes. More than 80,000 results. You can easily build a site around telescopes. You would want to note that these techniques are brain starters. There are times when the brain seems to freeze and you simply can't seem to think of anything. These techniques are for times like that. They will get your brain working again and you will have lots of good ideas to pursue.